Example 9, change of variables. Evaluate the definite integral. Okay, so again, think of this as being the integral, and the lower limit is 1, x equals 1. The upper limit is x equals 5. And this is x all over the square root of 2x minus 1 dx. So we're going to do u substitution. We're going to let u equal 2x minus 1. So the derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 2. Thus, du equals 2 dx. And now we're going to be substituting u in for functions that are in terms of x. So I also need to figure out what my upper and lower limits of integration will be. So when x equals 5, u equals 2 times 5 minus 1. Okay, I'm just plugging in x for 5 into this, and this is going to be equal to 9. When x equals 1, u will equal 2 times 1 minus 1 equals 1. So now let's start substituting in here. So now my lower limit is going to be u equals 1. My upper limit is going to be u equals 9. This x, we don't have that, so I'm going to need to rewrite this as u plus 1 equals 2x. So x equals u plus 1 over 2. So that x becomes u plus 1 over 2 all over the square root of u, and then dx times 2. So we don't have a 2 in here, so I'm going to put a 2 in here and then multiply this by 1/2. So now I can make this du. I'm sorry. Yeah. Put a 2 here. So then when I substitute it in, when I substitute 2 in dx, I can put in du. Okay, so now let's see what I got here. So I've got the integral of 1/2 u equals 1, u equals 9. This is going to be u plus 1 over 2. This would be u to the 1/2 power du. And then what I can do here, I can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, where this would cancel out. Now I'm going to have 1/2 the integral from 1 to 9. This will be u plus 1 over 2. 2 times u to the 1/2 du. Then I can factor out another 1/2, so now this is going to become 1/4 the integral from 1 to 9. And then it's going to be u plus 1 all over u to the 1/2 du. And then I can divide u to the 1/2 by each of these. So now it's going to be u to the 1/2 plus u to the negative 1/2 du. And now I'm ready to find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of u to the 1/2 would be u to the 3/2 times 2/3 plus u to the 1/2 times 2 over 1, or just 2. And then we're going to integrate this. Oh yeah, 1/4 would still be out in front of this. We'll integrate this from 1 to 9. So I have 1/4. When I plug in 9, I'll have 2 times 9 to the 3/2 power over 3 plus 2 times 9 to the 1/2 power minus 2 times 1 to the 3/2 power over 3 plus 2 times 1 to the 1/2 power. Then let's see here. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 to the 3rd power is 27. The square root of 9 is 3. This is just going to be 2/3. This would be 2. Then let's see here. This is going to be 1/4 times 54/3 plus 6 minus 2/3 minus 2. So this will be 52/3 plus 4. 3 goes into 52. Seventeen times. 1 left over, 1/3. So this will be, let's see, let's do it this way. Let's make this 52 over 12 plus 1. This would be 26 over 6 plus 1. This would be 13 over 3 plus 3 over 3, which would be 16/3.